In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox in Microsoft Store not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. For example, if I go over to the store right now, and then I just go over to Roblox right now, I already have it installed, but I don't have it installed through Microsoft Store. But what you want to go ahead and do firstly, it's a very simple thing, is literally just log out of your account. So sign out right here and then sign back into the same account again. It might just be a little simple bug. Another thing you can do is right click on your Windows icon and then go over to your settings. So I'm just going to press installed apps like so. It's going to show all the apps that are currently installed. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and find my Roblox application. So mine is right here. Press these three little dots and then I'm going to see uninstall. So I can uninstall it and then it should let me press Roblox. And sometimes it's still going to be grayed out, but what I can do is when I press it, it's still going to allow me to install it. And it says, we'll install this game to a new folder in this location. And then you can also change the default settings on where you want it to be installed. For example, if you want a different position. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.